Hey guys, what's up? It's Card Shuffler 99 here. Today we're going to show you guys this awesome trick. Credit to Schwarzenegger Magic and Miss Mag. Make sure you check out both of their channels. They have awesome channels. Make sure you check them out. That's where we learned this trick from. Before we get into it, guys, make sure you enter our giveaway. Now, we are giving away 10 Theory 11 decks. It's again 10 Theory 11 decks of your choice if you are one of the winners. And we're also giving away $30 in Amazon gift cards. 3 winners, they each win $10. So, if you want to be entered in this contest, all you have to do is like this video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Notifications have to be on. And you have to comment at least on one video. You know, maybe something you like about our channel or something like, anything. You just comment. The more you comment, the more you see, increases your chances. So, make sure you comment at least one time to be entered for this. So let's get into the trick, and this trick has something to do with lucky number 13. So let's get into it. What we're going to do is we're going to find ace through 10. We're going to get ace through 10 for this trick. So here's an ace. Saw 2 over here, 3, and we're going to grab all ace through 10 for this trick. 4, 5, 6, awesome. 7, we need an 8, we need an 8. I do see a 9 here. Do we have an 8? Yes, we do. 8, 9, and we finally need a 10, which we have right there. So what we'll do is we have our 10 cards here, ace through 10. And if we had a spectator today, what we would do is we would ask them to select any 2 of these cards. So let's say they wanted the 8 and they also wanted the 2. Doesn't matter what of these 8 cards they selected. They could have selected any of them, but they decided to select the 8 and the 2. So what we'll do is we'll take the selections here, and we're also going to be using the Joker for this trick, and you'll understand why in a little bit. So we said lucky number 13. What we're going to do is we're going to count up from 2 to 13. Watch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like that. So that's how we're going to use the lucky number 13 for this trick. So what we'll do is we'll do it for 8 next. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We'll place the 8 there, and we'll place the rest of the deck on top. And then we'll finally do it for the Joker. Now, you might be wondering, well, what's the value for a Joker? Well, we would actually have our spectator choose. So let's say they said 7. They choose the number 7. They could choose any value they want for this, but they chose 7 for some reason. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7. Very important that we remember this number, 7. So what we'll do is we'll square up the cards, and we'll spread out the deck, and we'll take a look at each of the numbers they stopped us at. So, or each of the cards they stopped us at. So here we have the 2, the 8, and we also have the Joker. So let's take a look at the cards they stopped us at. So, they stopped us at, let's see, take a look at the first card. A king. King of hearts, okay? The king of clubs. And the king of diamonds. You can also see the 4th king right here on the Joker, the Joker's head. Now that is the... yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. This isn't a king, it's just the head of a king. Well, to find the final king, what we can do is we can actually add up the cards. 2, 8 is 10, plus you chose a value of 7, which is 17. We can actually count 17 cards down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And we can actually find the last king. That is the trick, guys. Let's learn how to do this awesome trick here. So, guys, there is, I guess you could say, sort of a setup, but you can actually start this trick without a setup. It really doesn't matter. It's whatever you prefer. So, what you do need, though, very important that you have this, is exactly 52 cards plus 1 Joker. So, you're going to get rid of the other Joker for this trick. And, yeah. 52 cards plus 1 Joker, and you're going to have the Joker out of the deck to the side. So 52 cards. And the setup for the trick is you're going to have 1 king on the bottom, 2 of the kings on top, and then you're going to count 3 cards, including the king, and you're going to place the last king 4 cards from the bottom. So it's in the 4th position. Now, you have a couple options here. I like to have the spectator shuffle the deck, but that is completely up to you. It really doesn't matter. This is a mathematical card trick, something we haven't really done much on the channel, so we wanted to do a few of them, maybe every once in a while. So what you can do is, if you want the spectator to shuffle the cards, I'm not going to shuffle them, but you guys can guess how you can set this up. If you shuffle the deck, the kings are going to be in random positions, right? So what you can do is, I'm just going to put this king, somewhere in the middle. I'm just going to leave the rest set up. What you can do is, you don't have to show them this, but you're going to say, we're going to get ace through 10. So you start through, you go through, you get ace. Be like, all right, let's find a 2 here. And, you go until you find the 2. So you find the 2 right there. And then you keep going through the deck until you get all the cards in the position that they need to be. So you're going to be really looking, we're looking for a 3. And then you're going to look, for a king or something along that line. Find the king, quickly control it to the top. It just looks like you're setting it up 4, and then you're going to look for a 5. And really what you're doing is you'll really be putting these cards down, but you'll be moving the kings around. So one king gets on the bottom, one king gets in the 4th position, and then the 2 kings get on the top. So really you're just going to be going through and looking to set this trick up while actually just putting cards on the table. So really all you're doing is you're just setting the trick up. Make sure that you don't take a card from in between the kings after you have them set up, and if you do, just replace it with another. So really set up 2 kings on top, a king, 2 cards, and then another king, and that's your setup for this trick. So after you have that set up and you already dealt down these cards, what you can do, you can have the spectator select any 2. So let's say they want the ace and maybe the 7. Doesn't matter what cards they select. Now, while you have the cards spread out and they're selecting the cards, what you're going to do is you're going to do a little pinky pull down on the bottom card right there. If you cannot do that, it's fine. Riffle down and just get a break under this bottom king here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you get that a pinky break and just leave a little gap. You're going to take the remainder of the cards, say, look at the cards, blah, blah, blah. You're going to take these cards and you're going to place them above this king right here. You're going to push them in like that. So basically you're just placing 8 cards above this king. So that's all you're doing. So you have the pinky break and you're just going to place all the cards in that area right there. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the deck here. You're going to do a quick risk hill and you're going to push off the top card and get a pinky break. While that's happening, you're going to be collecting these cards right here. You're going to say, we're going to need these 3 cards right here. And you're just going to get the pinky break like that. So make sure you explain the lucky number 13 for this trick because, kings do represent the value 13. So that's part of the reason. And then what you're going to do is you're going to collect up the cards here. And then you're going to square them up on the deck like this. And when you square them up, you're going to grab them and you're going to steal off this top card, which is the king here, which you had a break under. So one more time. You have the break here, take these 3 cards, square them up, steal off the card, and you're going to have 4 cards here. Then you're going to count up to 13 from this card right here. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Place these cards back on top of the deck. Place the card down, place the rest of the deck on top, and you're going to continue doing this. So this is basically a self-working trick from here. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Place the card there, and then you're just going to place the rest of the deck on top. And then for the last joker, they can choose any value. Let's go 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And make sure you really emphasize the value of that card because they need to remember it. So 3, say it multiple times so they remember it. 3. Then you spread out the cards and take the card above it. So just take the card above it, go to the next card, take the card exactly above it, and then the final card, take the card above it like that. And you'll find that they all happen to be kings. So you're gonna be you can make the joke that the 4th king is the joker, and then really all you have to do is add up the cards. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus the 3, see what I did there? Make sure you remember this, the value of this card. There's 3, will be 11. You will count 11 cards down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 11th card will be the final king. That is the trick, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And this is Card Shuffler 99. Peace out.